Let's go, boy. It's time to cook. We got to shop for our things. You're ready, huh? You know what time it is.
Stand tall, Carre. Let my life as a squad member till the day I die. So I'm riding with Carre's crew until I'm in the sky.
Chicken. Okay, so we have our chicken here. We're gonna cut it into little chunks. And we want to cut the skin up too into little pieces. Place your chopped up chicken into a food processor. Put it in here. Get the chicken. Good job! Okay, to this we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, and a half teaspoon of MSG. Now we're gonna take our mixture and leave it in the freezer for about 10 minutes so it can firm up. We have some oil. Now we're gonna add some ginger. About a cup of apricot jelly. And just dump. There you go, good job. Some more in here. Then we add like about 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar. Little curry. Dump it in there. Good job. Now you're gonna add some water. You got it? Good job. We're gonna add a little bit of cornstarch mixture. Once your sweet and sour sauce starts to simmer, you turn it off and it will thicken up. The flour mix, we need 3 cups of flour. Go ahead, dump that in. Dump it. Good. 1. 2. Dump it in. And 3. I can't do it for holding it. All of it. There you go. Good job. Some salt. And then dump it in here. There. A half a teaspoon of accent. Very good, you already did. And take white pepper. Teaspoon. So that's this one right here. Oh, it doesn't fit, so let's pour it. And then dump. Good job. Your batter. Your flour. Good. Okay, so for the tempura batter, we need a half a cup of cornstarch, which is this right here. I'm gonna dump it in. Good job. A 1/4 cup of flour, which is 3/4. One, dump it in. Two, in here. And 3. Good job. Teaspoon, sorry. Do a little bit more. Good. And then bake it equal parts. Good job. 2 eggs, so we're gonna crack these. 1 egg. Crack it. And chilled water. For this, no ice. Good. Flick of the wrist. Good.
Action.
Now we gotta shape our nuggets. So we'll go like this. I know you don't like this sensory stuff. You wanna try? Okay. Let's put them here. Right. Like that. We're gonna take a nugget, dump it in here, some flour, dump it in there, and then fry. Flour, tempura, you get a lot of fry. We'll make you a little 6-piece right here. 20. Okay, you're gonna dump it there. And then in here, make sure you get all of it. You want all of it dreaded in the flour, coated. And then in the tempura, drop it in there, don't be scared. And then grab it. There you go! We know her name, Golden Crisp.
My life is a squad member till the day I die. So I'm riding with Carre's crew until I'm in the sky.